Justice James Patterson and Commissioners Vincent Alexander, Desmond Trotman, and Charles Gobin made their court appearances this morning at the Georgetown Magistrates Court. Private criminal charges were filed against them for breaching the Constitution of Guyana by not adhering to Article 106, which stipulates that elections are to be held within 3 months of the passage of a no-confidence motion. They were represented by attorney-at-law Rex McKay, Neil Boston, Robert Corbin, and Darren Wade. However, the Chief Magistrate Anne McLennan, in her ruling, said that the charge has no purpose and appears to be frivolous. She further stated that bringing such a charge against the defendants is an abuse of court. The charge were brought by Marcel Gaskin, the brother of Minister of Business Dominic Gaskin. Marcel Gaskin was represented by attorney-at-laws Sanjeev Datadin and Ganesh Hira. Following the ruling, Datadin stated that the matter would be appealed at the High Court and then further, if necessary.
The magistrate today was of the view that she should dismiss the charges. There are other processes that exist. There are appeals. There are further actions that we could take moving on towards the High Court. There's no need to refile. It's been filed today. It's been dealt with today. So, no, we don't intend to file and we intend to move forward.
According to the attorney who acted as a special prosecutor in the case, contrary to what the magistrate ruled, at common law, a statute cannot be breached as well as the Constitution. As such, the offense is a very simple one.
The offense that we have is a very simple offense. At common law, you can't breach a statute and you can't breach the Constitution. You have, but if people get together and say that that's what they're doing, then it is an offense. It is a criminal offense at common law, and under Section 21 it carries a penalty of 1 year imprisonment. Well, it's not mandatory imprisonment, so they are the usual things that apply. But when the no confidence motion was passed by the National Assembly on the 21st of December it meant 90 days later they should have had an election, and there should be an election. Now, I think everyone in Guyana is aware that that is not happening. The people who are charged with bringing an election is the Elections Commission, and they are not taking any steps to do what they should be doing.
As the matter was being heard in the Georgetown Magistrates Courts, several protesters stood outside of the court calling for the coalition government to respect the Constitution.
This is about Guyanese, not PPP. I have more confidence in the government that is existing now. Comrade Granger, I have a neighbor, Elizabeth Nelson, and her husband, okay? Mr. Nelson, they broke down my concrete house. They said the overseer gave them permission, crushed down a concrete house to the ground with 2 little children in it. We seek all over for help. No one listened to us.
As a citizen, I'm out here today for the Constitution, and I think our leaders should respect our Constitution of Guyana.
Reporting for the Evening News, Kizzy Coleman.